The Honorable Board of Examiners. The Honorable my thesis supervisor, Ms. Rahmi. First, I would like to express my gratitude for the opportunity given to me. My name is Kevin Hadi Firdaus, and I am student of Economic Department by student ID number 23105130004. Today, I am here to present my undergraduate thesis. Title is Demand Elasticity Analysis on Sales of Takjil Dim Sum in the Month of Ramadan. I'm going to focus on some main points. They are problem of the research, methodology of the research, the result of the research, and also the conclusions of the research based on the findings found. And this is my presentation. Sales of iftar snacks during Ramadan reflects changing consumption patterns, with an increase in buyers seeking snacks to break their fast. Food and beverage business often face significant demand spikes, leading to surges in sales of certain products and encouraging innovations in the types and packagings of these snacks. In the macroeconomic context, the sale of iftar snacks during Ramadan significantly impacts GDP. The rise in economic activity, especially in the retail and food sectors, contributes positively to overall economic growth. Additionally, the sale of iftar snacks highlights the vitality of the MSME sectors, which is the backbone of the economic in many countries, thereby supporting inclusive and sustainable economic growth. Using the demand elasticity formula, the demand elasticity formula is used to measure the extent to which the demand for a product responds to price change. By understanding this formula, we can evaluate the level of consumer responsive to the demand for dim sum iftar snacks. Based on the calculated demand elasticity, the elasticity coefficient for dim sum is indicating that the demand for dim sum is elastic. This means that when the price of dim sum drops from 15,000 rupiah to 10,000 rupiah, there is a significant increase in demand from 200 to 500. This indicates that consumers tend to respond strongly to price decreases by increasing their purchases, showing that a price drop leads to a much larger increase in demand, and consumers are likely to boost their consumption when the price fall. From the price elasticity analysis, it can be concluded that demand will increase if the price is reduced. If the price is reduced, the assumption is that demand is price elastic. This means a relatively small change in price will cause a proportional or greater change in demand. Proportionally or greater, in this context, price reduction can be an effective strategy to increase sales volume, especially if the product has many alternatives or if consumers are highly responsive to price elasticity. In the study, it shows that the demand for takjil dim sum is elastic. This shows that dim sum sellers need to pay attention to price as an important factor in marketing strategy, so that dim sum sellers must consider price change and other factors that can affect the demand for dim sum. Price and other factors that influence consumer decisions in buying dim sum. From the elasticity analysis of the level of demand for takjil dim sum, when the price is reduced, it can be concluded that the demand for the product is price elastic. It is important to note that the high price elasticity indicates that consumers perceive takjil dim sum as a price responsive product, which means that they tend to a price responsive product, which means that they are likely to respond strongly to a price decrease by increasing their purchase amount. This could be due to several factors, such as perceptions of higher value at a lower price and higher perceived value at a lower price, better purchasing power, or an increased consumer interest in the product due to a more affordable price. Overall, the price decrease followed by an increase in demand for takjil dim sum shows that high price elasticity can be utilized to increase sales and achieve marketing goals. Utilized to increase sales and achieve certain marketing objectives by understanding these characteristics of demand elasticity, manufacturers and optimize their pricing strategies to achieve sustainable growth and sustainable business success. Sekian, terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.